since 2004. Specializing in machining. Kickoff from Taiwan to worldwide. CNC milling, CNC turning, grinding. Swiss-type CNC sliding head, lathe machine. High-speed CNC, turning centers. Done-in-one, horizontal multitasking machine. Cylindrical grinder. Versatile 5-axis CNC, vertical machining center. 5-axis simultaneous, high-speed machining. Quality Control Lab. Coordinate measuring machine. Surface roughness measuring. (2D linear height measuring.
2.5D projection measuring.
Dynamic balancing machine. Tool room.